Hi there, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you verify ID for Google Pay. In order to verify their identity or ID on Google Pay, you'll need to add a payment method to your Google Pay wallet app or a Google Pay website and provide the details like a credit card, debit card as well. So first of all, you could either download the Google Pay wallet app or you could just use a browser version and then navigate the section for adding a payment method. So here you could click on the setup pay button. Now then, to begin with, it's going to take to the other page where we can go ahead and start with the procedure. All you need to do is enter the debit card or credit card details when prompted, after which when additional information if requested, which might include your name, billing address and other personal details for identity verification, you simply want to go ahead and follow the on-screen prompt to complete the process. This could involve entering a verification code sent to your phone number or an email address, or submitting an image of a government issued ID as well. And that is how you could verify identity for Google Pay. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.